Hey there, fellow Dark Knights. Here's how to cross the gorge in the mountain climb level in LEGO Batman: Legacy of the Dark Knight. If you're just starting the game and you've reached this part of the prologue, you might be wondering how to get to the other side. It can be a bit confusing if you're not used to puzzle-style gameplay. Thankfully, this section is actually a pretty simple mini puzzle. First, break the crate in the center, then destroy this red object right here, followed by the debris to the left of the crate we broke earlier. Once all the Lego bricks are scattered on the ground, this build prompt will appear. Simply hold the designated button or key shown on the prompt to start building the contraption you'll need to cross the gorge. After it's finished, hop in and enjoy the ride. Use your arrow keys to steer toward the other side of the gorge. Once you arrive, you'll get struck by lightning, but don't worry, that part is scripted and supposed to happen. After the crash, you'll fall down to the ground. Just continue forward on your journey to find the blue flower. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.